welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about Marc Jacobs, a new bag that I gotten for my upcoming vacation, and it's in my favorite color. I can't wait to show it to you guys. And it's the mini grind tote, so let's get right into it. Do a little unboxing right here. I have the bag with me right now, and yeah, are you guys excited? Because I am. And it is here inside this dust bag. Ta-da! It's in my favorite color, the baby blue color, and it actually comes with these accessories as well, which is the lock and the key. And it's really cute, and I have yet to remove the tag yet, so it's all here. I just can't wait to show you guys in detail about this, so let's get right into it. So here's the Marc Jacobs mini grind tote. It comes with the lock and key, which is great because for some other brand you have to pay for additional accessories. The logo is in silver color and it's made of leather and it's quite nice to the touch. It's really rigid except for the handle itself. I felt that it's a little bit flimsy, so I might not carry heavy things when I bring it out. The size is really cute and it comes in 3 compartments: the front, the back, and it also comes with additional shoulder straps so that you can carry it on your shoulder in case it gets too heavy. And this part is where you put all your valuables and you can zip it for safekeeping purposes. I really like how it has zipper on, so I can bring my mini bag around without worrying that it will get stolen. So now that's the shoulder strap, you strap it on one side and then you go on to the other. And this bag is 2 ways, so you can carry it as a shoulder bag or as a mini bag. So now I'll show you what can be fit inside all the different compartments in the bag. So let's get into it. Firstly, I'm gonna fit my storybook because sometimes I do bring my books around, and yeah, it's just the size of my books. And then I will bring a snacks along because when I'm bored I like to eat something. And then I'm still gonna try to fit my wallet on the first compartment. And yeah, there's still space after I fit inside. So this bag is actually quite big for a mini bag, and the size is really great as well. So I absolutely love it, and yeah, as you can see, it fits pretty well. Thank you for watching. Do let me know in the comment below what you guys think about mini bag and what's your favorite color for mini bag. So I'll see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be about my vacation. So do stay tuned. Bye!